Welcome to Deployment in Oracle Developer Cloud Service. After completing this lesson, you should be able to identify the types of applications that can be deployed by Oracle Developer Cloud Service, identify which application type can be deployed to each Oracle Cloud Service deployment target, and explain how to create a deployment configuration with an on-demand ACCS deployment target. After running build jobs and generating build artifacts, you can deploy them to Oracle Cloud Services, such as Oracle Java Cloud Service, Oracle Java Cloud Service SaaS Extension, and Oracle Application Container Cloud Service without leaving the Oracle Developer Cloud Service interface. You can deploy Java-based applications to Oracle Java Cloud Service and Oracle Java Cloud Service SaaS Extension. You can deploy Java SE, PHP, and Node.js applications to Oracle Application Container Cloud Service. To deploy an application, you need to create a deployment configuration. The deployment configuration defines the name of the deployed application, the deployment target service, JCS or ACCS, and the artifact that needs to be deployed. You create the deployment configuration from the Deploy page. Click New Configuration to create a new deployment configuration. In the New Deployment Configuration dialog, specify the deployment details. By default, the application name is the same as the configuration name. The application name is used to identify the deployed application in the target service. Deployment target defines the target Oracle Java Cloud Service. You can use a predefined target from the list or define a new target from the New menu. Click New and select Application Container Cloud. In the Deploy to Application Container dialog, specify the data center, identity domain, and the username and password of the target service. Click Test Connection. After the connection details are validated, click Use Connection. After adding the deployment target Oracle Application Container Cloud Service, specify the runtime and subscription properties in the ACCS properties. For this exercise, we'll use the default selections. The deployment type defines how the deployment happens. Select On Demand to deploy the artifact of the specified job and build when the deployment action will be triggered manually. Select Automatic to deploy the artifact of the specified job's last successful build. For this exercise, again, we will use the default selection. In the Job field, select the job name that you created in the last exercise. The build and artifact fields will be populated automatically. Click Save and Deploy when you are done. You'll be returned to the deployments page. Wait for the deployment to complete. This might take a few minutes. After the deployment is complete, you'll see the Deployment Succeeded message in the History section. Click the configuration name to open the deployed application. The running application is displayed. We could search for an employee or add a new one, but to keep things moving along, we won't. After verifying the deployed application, return to the Oracle Developer Cloud Service Deploy page. Click the gear icon of the deployment configuration and select Stop from the menu to stop the deployment. You should now be ready to work on the exercise. The build job you created in Exercise 1 for the Employee REST App project generates artifacts. In Exercise 2, you'll create a deployment configuration that takes those artifacts and deploys them to your ACCS instance. Then you'll run an on-demand deployment to your ACCS target service to verify that your deployment configuration works. Last, you'll run the application to verify that it works. When you're done, stop the deployment. In this lesson, you should have learned how to identify the types of applications that can be deployed by Oracle Developer Cloud Service, identify which application type can be deployed to each Oracle Cloud Service deployment target, and explain how to create a deployment configuration with an on-demand ACCS deployment target. Thank you.